some booger weld reinforcements. I'm not really sure how much good that's actually doing. Alright, just do a little walk around on the parts car. 1974 Duster. It's a race car past life. K-frame been hacked. Motor mount's cut off of it. It's got the motor plate brackets on the frame rail. Fender wells cut out for headers. It's got some suspension just kind of loosely bolted in, make it a roller. It had some rough life, a little bit of rust in it. Some booger weld reinforcements. I'm not really sure how much good that's actually doing. Absolutely no rust in these floors, which is awesome. Not much left of this car. He's got a good cross member here. Somebody in the Rust Belt needs a solid cross member here for your torsion bars. I think somebody put some square tube in here to try to make some sort of a subframe connectors. I got some mini tub action going on here. You can see they moved the inner wheelhouse inboard, put a strip of metal in there. It's a real common upgrade for building a drag car. Can't tell if this thing really ever had a roll cage in it or not. It's possible. Looks like they drilled out maybe a plate or something. I'm not sure. A couple of the other modifications for race cars. You can see here they cut the quarter panel, make the wheel opening wider, front and back. And then also you can see they lined the inner wheelhouse in with the frame rail, and then they moved the springs inboard. And then the frame rails mount back there. And then stuck this little weenie rear end in there for a regular roller. And the trunk here, yep. And you can see the plates where they had a roll bar in there at one point. Put another plate in there to cover the spare tire hole. And then a hole there for the sump and the fuel cell. That's a good piece of sheet metal. That's the fuel filler tube plug there. Yeah, should we make this thing into a race car again? Or part out what's left of it. It's got a good solid roof, solid deck lid. The quarters are actually really solid except for the modifications that they did here in front and back. You see a little bit more rust here in the A-pillar. Yeah, it's gonna need a lot of work if you want to get this thing back rolling under its own power. Well, that's it. My 74 Duster drag car shell. Don't know what to do with it yet. We'll see.